டாக்டர் லோகநாதன் ஆடியோ கொஞ்சம் குறைவா இருக்கு. ஆடியோ டாக்டர் லோகநாதன்.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, Loganathan,
Yes,
sir.
Good morning, sir. Very good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Shall we start, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So a very good afternoon to one and all here. I'm extremely overwhelmed to get this opportunity. To witness you all on this auspicious occasion of 6 days faculty development program on digital teaching methods in higher education organized by the PG and Research Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than parents. Yes, by saluting all the teachers who work endlessly for the students, we shall move on to this FDP. Digital transformation of higher education due to this pandemic is about more than just a technology. In conditions of great uncertainty and competition, higher education has to move on to a never ending teaching process. I feel proud to be a part of such an elite institution where we are taught by such great teachers whose teaching goes beyond the classroom. By thanking all of the Hindustan official team for selecting such a crucial topic for this FDP, I now request Dr. M.S. Loganathan, Professor and Head, PG and Research Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, to welcome the gathering. Sir, please.
வரும் முதல்ல போனாங்க நான் வரல.
Every second.
Yes, sir.
Every seconds. Every seconds brings a fresh beginnings. Every day is what you choose to make it. A very good afternoon to one and all. A warm welcome on the occasion of 6 days faculty development program on digital methods in higher education. It starts from today, 23rd August to 28th August 21. On behalf of our institution and PG and Research Department of Commerce with Computer Application, I would like to a warm welcome to our today's eminent resource person, Dr. Professor Raghunath Parakal, consultant, counseling psychology from Kerala, and the topic of psychological issues in digital teaching methods. Out of his busy schedule, he has graced this occasion with his presence. A warm welcome, you, sir. A hearty welcome all
Hello,
our
Ashwini.
eminent resource persons
Hello.
coming days. Welcome you all. It's my pleasure to sincerely
Rajan, sir, you are not audible.
glad welcome to. Yes,
Only
sir.
sir, Rajan, sir is not audible.
Okay, sir. Glad welcome to our principal, Dr. Ponnuswamy, and our CEO, Dr. Karunakaran, who is a great motivators, a persons behind all our success. We are fortunate enough to have such a wonderful leaders. We are glad to welcome you, sir. it's my duty to extend a glad welcome to our gracious directors, HODs, faculty members, and resource persons from various colleges, and my dear colleagues who are gracing the occasion on his presence. Once again, a warm welcome to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your warm welcome. Next, I request our respected principal, Dr. A. Ponnusamy, who is well known for his wonderful administration and high achievements of this institution, to render the presidential address. Sir, please.
Okay, thank you, madam. Most respected Dr. Professor Raghunath Parakal, consultant counseling psychology from Kerala. Respected Dr. Loganathan, head of the Department of PG and Research Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Respected participants from various colleges. Respected faculty members of my own college. Actually, very good afternoon to all of you. So, in this occasion, I congratulate the Department of PG and Research of Commerce with CA for having organized this very useful and wonderful 6-day national level FDP on digital teaching methods in higher education. And also they have invited 6 resource persons. Actually, it's a very good resource persons. So today we have Dr. Professor Raghunath Parakal. I think tomorrow, we'll have Dr. R. Manjupriya, the Associate Professor, School of Commerce, that is Jain Deemed University, Bangalore. And also we'll have Dr. Sharan Kumar Shetty from Emerson Institute of Management, Bangalore. And we'll have Dr. D. Kumaresan, Professor and Director of Department of Commerce from KSR, Richangodu. And we'll have Dr. A. Sharmula, Associate Professor, School of Commerce from Bangalore. And also we'll have Dr. V. Arul Murugan from Pondicherry University. I think all these sessions would be very useful to all our faculty members. Actually, they are having a vast experience in this area also. I think today Dr. Raghunath Parakal actually is and also he has secured many awards, actually former Prime Minister and Chief Minister awardee. And also he is featured in Times Square, New York, USA. And also he is a world record creator, that is World Book of Records UK, along with Edu Clouds. And also he is one of the most influential persons of the world, one among 25 people by international newspaper, Egypt Bayan. And also he has won 156 national, international, local awards. So out of which 41 are international awards. And also he is the certified counselor for India COVID Action Network, trained by NIMANS for providing psychological first aid and emotional support to children. And also he is a member in American Psychological Association, and also the international member of Australian Counseling Association, and a professional member of International Association of Counseling. And also, I think at present he is working in Palana Hospital, Co-op hospitals in Kerala, and also I think he is consulting in the Rajiv Gandhi Hospital, Nandavanam Hospital, that is in Kerala. I think on behalf of management, on my own behalf, and the faculty members, I welcome you, sir. I think this today's program, that is digital teaching methods in higher education. You know that in the last 1.5 years, this pandemic, the COVID, has taught many lessons to us. And also this pandemic has imprisoned the whole world within the 4 walls. this education process is going on only through online teaching process. The world countries are struggling to manage this issue. Actually, our country is not exceptional. Actually, we are also facing a lot of problems handling the students and handling the online classes. If you take the students, no, the students are facing a lot of issues related to this poor network connectivity. Actually, especially the students who are living in rural area, and also this economic condition also, they don't have a laptop or otherwise Android phones. Even I think the recently, I think in this newspaper, an article came related to this. If you take the government schools now, only 25% of the government schools are having having a system with internet facilities. Even the teachers were not able to handle the classes to the students. Then you think over about our the students' position, and also the students know for in this even in the urban area they don't have a separate room to continue their learning process, and also this attendance also. Actually, many students, I think only 30-40% of the students only attending the classes. The remaining students, no, they are irregular to the classes. Even many students are going part-time job. There is issues. A lot of issues are going on related to this. Not only the students, even the teachers also. Actually, the teachers said also the preparation of materials, the online materials or the PPT preparations, and also they're having the lack of training actually in using ICT tools, and also they're facing lot of issues from the student side also. Actually, their maltreatment from the student side. Even if we question the students, no, there is no proper reply from the students. There is a poor attendance. Then these are all many issues. Actually, I have quoted only few issues here. Many issues are there, but to create an interest among the students, no, it's a major challenge. Even in our college, we have told, and also we have given training to the faculty members to prepare the PPT, and along with this PPT, or 20 minutes class or YouTube, at least to motivate the students. We are asking to give the link at the, or 5 to 3 minutes YouTube link. Then end of the class, no, we are asking the or otherwise we are sending the MCQ, the multiple choice question to the students. We are asking them to reply to these questions. Based on that only we are giving attendance. So many things are there, but still we are lacking in this part. And not only that, if you take the last 1.5 years, the knowledge transfer, no, I think it's very minimum. It's very minimum. I think this education system or the university or colleges have generously distributed the degree to the students, but we have failed to teach them life skills, especially the life skills to the students. Even nowadays, no, if you ask the students, actually they are not ready to appear for the placement training, or otherwise they are not ready to take up any job. I think this pandemic period, the 1.5 years, actually they stayed within the house. Okay, so they within the house, no, actually they got everything. They got everything, and also they spend most of the time with Android phone or laptop. But we can't expect, or we can't say that the majority of the time they spent only for the education purpose. So that is the major question. I think this online teaching actually, what is it? Even the teachers know previously, 1.5 years before, they feared to use the online methodology or online mode. But now, I think almost all the teachers now have got the training, or otherwise they have learned how to prepare the online material, how to handle the classes through online mode. But even though I think the blended mode will be the suitable method for us. This is my based on my experience I am telling, but the major challenge, actually is creating interest among the students. I think we have to choose the best method to handle the classes, to create the interest among the students is something. Apart from this, the pandemic, has created us other problems also. Actually, today the professor, the psychologist is here. The students know they are facing a lot of psychological issues also. That is the depression, stress, even it leads to the suicide. There's so many psychological issues also there. I think the teachers know, not only actually our duty is not only to handle the classes, even we can counsel the students. We can spend even at least for 5 minutes or 10 minutes to them to hear their personal issues, and you try to sort out these personal issues. I think it will very useful to them. I think that this uh, program, this 6 days national level FTP program, definitely will be very useful to our faculty members. So I thank the organizers for having for giving the opportunity to me, and also I welcome Professor Raghunath for this program. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you, sir, for rendering such a valuable speech. Now, I take immense pleasure in introducing our today's chief guest, Dr. Professor Raghunath Parakkar, consultant in counseling psychology. Currently, sir is a consultant in counseling in various hospitals in Kerala, and more significantly, sir is a professor and head of counseling department, Park Group of Institution, Coimbatore. Sir is a doctorate of philosophy not only in psychology but also in humanity and social work, listening, peace and humanity, peacekeeping and leadership, and so on. Presently, Sir holds many remarkable positions, and few of them are: Sir is a member of American Psychological Association, professional member, International Association for Counseling, volunteer, International Human Rights Commission, trainer of trainers of Government of India, New Delhi, chairman of Counselors and Trainers Social Welfare Charitable Trust, Kerala, chief mentor, Sports Education for Sports Academy Association of India, and so on. Apart from his working profile, Sai has an excellent profile of social work. He took about 14,000 mass counseling classes in the schools, colleges, and residential associations, and established counseling in the grassroots level. He is instrumental in donating 3,250 eyes donation and arranging agreements of 375 persons' bodies after death. For such remarkable social activities, Sir has been awarded by so many awards like Hind Ratnam, presented by former Prime Minister, Vikas Rattan Award, Udyog Rattan Award, Management Excellence Award, Bhumi Charitable Society Award for his social work, International Mother Teresa Award, and so on. So, not only for counseling and social work, but SAR has also been rewarded for health-oriented activities also. Few of them are: SAR has been awarded by Best Doctor Award 2020, Corona Warrior Award, Best Indian Psychologist Award, and so on. So, Sir's profiles are endless. So, we are very proud to have a such eminent person in our desk today, and we feel very glad to hand over the very first session of the 6 days FTP program, which is entitled Psychological Issues and Digital Teaching Methods, to you. Sir, session is over to you, sir.
Good morning, my dear friends. Ponusami sir, really, it was a fantastic message, no doubt about that. I'm also working in Coimbatore with various colleges, sir. So I'm very happy to associate with Hindustan College also. Thank you, ma'am, for
Thank
your
you. Welcome, sir. Thank you.
yeah, excellent introduction. And Dr. Loganathan, sir, also thank you for your, invitation and joining your college and all my friends. I think Pannusamy sir, the first thing which I want to discuss, now you can understand that sir, Pannusamy sir and me is only available in the video. Am I right, Pannusamy sir? Loganathan sir, are you there? Sir, Loganathan sir, yes, you are there, sir. See, the first psychological issue when I want to discuss, especially the teachers when they are interacting, is nothing but they are not really able to interact facing the students or facing the faculties. Am I right, Loganathan sir? Yes sir, no. Loganathan sir, are you hearing me? Is it going to be a monologue session or is it going to be an interactive session? That is what I want to discuss, first of all. Because I believe that, see, monologue session will create always one, it is nothing but the boring. That is the first psychological concept which I want to discuss. See, sir, now you can understand, Loganathan sir, other than you and me, nobody is there due to the video.
ரெடி பண்ணி விடுங்க ஏன்னா அவங்க எல்லாமே
So, naturally, I'm also a professor of various universities all over the world. I never felt that interacting with the students through the video as well as through the audible methods never got bored. See, Ponusami sir, you will agree. Now, Loganathan sir, me and you are there. What about
Yes,
the
sir.
others, sir? So we are not able to interact directly. That is the main problem. Am I right, sir? First
Yes.
of all, the teacher should generate such a kind of interest so that all the people should come in the video.
Yeah.
And it should be the attitude of the teachers, those who are listening, and it should be the attitude of the students, those who are also listening, the faculty.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, no, sir. This is the
Yes,
main
yes.
problem, actually. Actually, this is the main problem. See, especially when we are using the Zoom link, it is very difficult to get all the people, but not Zoom link, it is Google link now. A Zoom link, of course, you can get all the people. So we should see that all the people we are able to address directly with the eye contact. Yes or no?
Yes.
First, we should start with ourselves. Am I right, Ponusami sir? You will agree.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You will agree. And it should be interactive. Then only the session will be interesting. Otherwise, it's only a monologue session going on.
Okay, sir.
Monologue session will create always the problem. Ponusami sir, let us have
Yes,
a
sir.
very creative, because I can understand from your face, Loganathan sir and Ponusami sir, you are giving a lot of, positive message so that I can ask directly the question to Ponusami sir. Sir, what is the mobile you are using, Ponusami sir?
Actually, we are using this Google Classroom only.
Okay, sir. No, I'm talking about your mobile, sir, personal mobile.
Okay. Personal mobile MI.
MI, sir. Okay, now you can understand, Loganathan sir,
Yes, sir.
the Ponusami sir is using his personal mobile as MI.
Yes.
And now when we are calculating the brand leader of the smartphones, it is MI as well as the Samsung. Ponusami sir, you agree, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
It is Samsung. Earlier, the brand leader was
Nokia.
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 Then why the Nokia is out of the market? That is the main question which I want to discuss. I think Ponusami sir, you will agree. This is the particular point which we have to drag to this particular subject also, so that all faculty members can really understand. Now Nokia is out of the market.
Yes.
Why, Loganathan sir? Why the Nokia is out of the market? Any idea you can give? Any clue? Whenever I used to take marketing classes for any big company, I used to quote this example. That's why I'm asking you, why the Nokia is out of the market and the Samsung came?
Not update the technology, sir?
Yes, not updating the technology.
Yes, sir.
They are little bit reluctant for the change. Ponusami sir, agreed? No, sir?
Yeah. There is no
As a
updation.
positive person, we should be really able to understand the change.
Yes.
Then only the innovation will come.
Yes.
Everybody is complaining about the various other virtual systems, whereas as a positive person, as a positive psychologist, as the positive person like Ponusami sir, Loganathan sir, we have to be able to really digest the change.
Yes.
Change is actually leading to the innovation.
Yes, sir.
Ponusami sir, you will agree that at the end of our age, say after 30, 40 years,
Yes.
most of the education is going to come by virtually only.
Okay.
Only for the practical purpose, mathematical purpose, right? Accountancy purpose, they may be going to the Hindustan Engineering College or various engineering college or Hindustan College. The system is like that.
Okay.
Agreed. So actually we are reluctant for the change. That is what I want to tell you. Loknath sir, you will agree.
Yes, sir.
When the TV media came, television media came, we were all fighting against certain things like TV. When the computer came, we were telling that all our job will be lost. Yes or no? Especially
Yes,
the
sir.
Kerala
Yes,
is
sir.
told, Ponnisami sir, Kerala is told all the loss, I mean, the people are going to lose the job. But can you imagine a world without a computer now? Can you imagine a world without a smartphone now? So we should be able to adjust towards the change, because change, when it is coming, naturally there will be some resistance. Naturally, there will be resistance. Sir, Punisami sir, I want to tell you, I used to play a lot of classes all over the world. Yesterday also, I was taking some classes like communication psychology all over the world. I never felt that it is boring. I never felt that it is not interactive. I used to, wanted to have a feeling that it should be an interactive session. Loknath sir, now you can understand. Punisami sir, now you can understand. Other
Yes,
than
sir.
these three people, nobody is there in the video platform. Then how
Yes,
we
sir.
will be able to? So we should see that everybody is participating, so that we will be able to really name Rajan sir, see Loknath sir, ma'am, Lada ma'am, etc. So that there will be interaction and interesting session will be going on. This is one of the psychological aspects which is really troubling. Sir, I want to tell you, Polisami sir, one interesting thing. I am also part of, rather teaching, group. I want to complain our own people, sir, because we should also see the attitude. We should change it. Instead of a monologue session, it should be an interactive session. Once the interactions are coming, no, naturally the students will be participated. Polisami sir, now 90 people are attending this session. Sir, we will take a rather survey of understanding rather the attitude, sir. Now, Punisami sir, if you are asking the concerned persons who are attending the session to put the attendance, just by putting yes, sir, you just watch, only 40 to 50% are going to put the attendance. Got my point, sir?
Yeah. But actually,
It's outside.
what we are facing now on this related to this, actually, the comfortness means what I'm telling now. If you ask the faculty members to switch on your video mode and talk, okay, so they are ready to do. But at the same time, we are facing the problem from the student side. So immediately they are telling it, if in the video mode, the data is not sufficient. They're having so many reasons to avoid all these things. That is, I think.
Now it is open.
Sir, I do agree with Pondusami sir. You will agree that it is little bit escapism from the students.
Yeah. But actually, what you are telling now, it's correct.
Yes, sir. We are making really the leader.
Yeah.
Sir, the leader is somebody who I really don't want to quote the example from our Prime Minister or Nelson Mandela. We should be able to quote from once Ponnisami sir is, rather taking the class, Ponnisami sir should be able to quote from his own example. Am I right, sir? Yes. He is the real leader. What I want to say is nothing but, sir, we should be able to really put an example. Then only we will be able to transfer the attitude of the students. That is what I want to tell you, sir.
Yes.
See, once when you are able to interact with, when I am able to interact with Pondusami sir and Loknath sir, the transmission of the messages are more than only the listening.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Eye contact can give various messages. Yes or no, sir?
Yes,
You know, When
Yes,
I
sir.
was taking yesterday a particular class, sir, I told the particular people, my rather students, that only 7% concentrations are there. 7% concentration they are there for the verbal communication. So yes, of course, there is a limitation because of the pandemic situation, but we had to utilize the maximum opportunity. That is what, as a positive psychologist, I want to communicate. Sir, Loknan, sir, I
Yes, sir.
want to ask you a question. Sir, can you, answer this question, sir?
Okay,
If the
sir.
pandemic situation is so bad, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now you can understand that it is almost controlled in India. But if the pandemic situation is very, very bad in India, right? You want to go outside some country, then which country you will choose?
Canada?
Canada. Okay.
New
What is
Zealand.
it?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Second, right? Very interesting. See, I'm also a columnist. This question I used to write and discuss all over the media, right, sir? Including in social media, including in TV media, and including in newspaper. I used to write. Sir, do you want to know one interesting thing? The data given by John Hopkins University.
Mm-hmm.
You know, John Hopkins University, where I have also, completed one, say, adolescent education, also some online training course. It is one of the major universities considered in the world. Am I right, Ponusami, sir?
Yes.
Sir, Logana, sir, it
Yes,
is
sir.
not New Zealand. The safest country is not New Zealand.
Ah,
I will get you, the data. It is
Canada,
not
sir.
Canada.
What about Canada, sir?
It is not Canada. I will give you another chance for guessing, sir. If you are saying the correct answer, I will see that Pondusami sir is giving a 5-star to you. Okay, Pondusami sir? Ready? It should be interactive. Then only the interest will come.
Australia, sir.
Sir,
Australia.
yeah, I thought New Zealand, no,
Yeah.
the COVID cases are 0. So I thought it's a safer country.
Yeah, with the present situation, agreed, sir.
Yeah,
Only one
yeah.
particular person who got, rather infected with the COVID, and they, rule total lockdown day. But sir, Ponnusamy sir, I want to tell you another interesting thing. Loknath sir, you want to take risk and say the answer again?
Australia, sir.
No, sir.
No.
I'll get you the data. You can also pass to Ponnusamy sir regarding the data. That is given by John Hopkins University. Devi Sri ma'am, do you know the university? The country? Any idea? Sir, Ponnusamy sir, the safest
sir.
country as far as all countries when it is taken according to the John Hopkins. No, Duba ma'am, it is not London, it is
London.
not UK. That's why I want to tell you one interesting, it is none other country than India.
Oh.
Is it surprising data?
Oh.
Loknath sir?
Yes, sir.
That is the mortality rate or the death rate is absolutely low when you are taking the data all over the country. Yes, Radhika ma'am. So actually, this sort of negative situation was really created, including me, because I am also a columnist. I am also connected with social work. I am also writing in newspaper. We are only concentrating on the death rate, or the vaccines are not available. But when the vaccines are, I will get you, Subramanian sir, I will get you very interesting thing. The data I will get shared to our Loknath sir. He can post the data in with your group, Loknath sir. The
Sure, sir.
safest country in the world is none other than our own country. We should be proud about that, sir. It is not given by Indian people. The exact data is given by John Hopkins University's USA.
Oh, yes.
So Actually, all these negative messages created really the confusion inside the, rather the students, faculty members, society members, and created. Each and every problem will be solved, no doubt, but we should be able to face the problem with patience. Am I right, Ponduswamy sir?
Yes, sir.
With patience. Sir, whenever I teach my psychological students, Ponduswamy sir, I used to say one interesting thing. I got patience because I got patience. Got the point, sir? I got patience because I got patience. And instead of running away from the problem, Lognal sir, we should face the problem. That is the first thing which we are supposed to develop. Face the problem. Not run away from the, fly away from the problem. And we should also see that we are finishing the problem. That should be the first attitude. And we should see that a personal, interactive sessions are to be conducted virtually. That is the main problem which we are really facing in the virtual platform. It is possible. It is really possible with a very good attitude. That is what I want to tell you. Every problem, Lognal sir, is a lock. Every problem is a lock, but no manufacturer or the nature or the God produced a lock without a key. Agree, Lognal sir? No lock is produced without a key. For each and every problem, there is a solution. Only thing is you have to find out. Agree, Lognal sir? Actually, this finding out is little bit difficult. That's why I want to tell you, yes, once some changes are there, that's why I quoted the example of Nokia. Once the changes are coming, naturally some resistance will be there. But changes are nothing but it will go for innovations. That is what I want to tell you. Devi Sri ma'am, are you there? Leda ma'am, are you there? Lognal sir? So, yes, we should be mentally prepared for the change. That is the message which I want to tell you. We should be mentally prepared for the change and see that we are really interacting instead of giving a lot of excuses. That is what I want to tell you. Instead of giving a lot of excuses. Yes, of course, there are issues. But issues, if you are really facing the issue, facing the problem, definitely we will be able to find out the solutions. Lognal sir,
Yes, sir.
I am connected with the NCPCR, National Child Protection. You know, that is, rather giving counseling to the adolescents all over the world.
Yes.
As per their survey, 36% of the people are having headache problem. Then it is coming to the point of virtual education. 28% of people are having eye issues. Okay, sir. And 36% again is having neck problem. It is a virtual issue. When you are using the virtual platform, it is causing a lot of issues like 36% is having issues as far as headache is concerned. 28% is having eye issues and 36% is having, of course, these neck issues. But if you are using the correct procedure, etc., you will be able to solve the problem. That's why I want to tell you, be prepared for the change. Whenever there is a change, there is a resistance. But all this resistance, if you are going to overcome, definitely we are going to prepare for a new innovation. That should be the attitude we should really develop. Then we will be able to really solve the problem. That is what I want to communicate first. Loknath sir, with your permission, can I do one thing? I think 92 people are now watching this session.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I put the attendance by just putting the yes, and you are going to say how many yeses are there? Shall I ask?
Yes,
Loknath
sir.
sir, so that you can understand. All my friends, with the permission of Loknath sir, yes. Jaya ma'am is putting yes. Thank you, ma'am. Now, Radhika ma'am. Now, sir, you just count. How many yeses are going to come? I want to tell you very interesting thing. First of all, if you want to really educate the students, first of all, we should see, I am also a member of the teaching faculty. We should see that our attitude also is going to be changed. Loknath sir, how much
Yes.
you got it now? Let's
30, sir. 30.
30.
Yes.
30, yes.
Yes.
Okay, 31, 32,
32.
34, 33.
30.
Sir, what is the message you want to give now? Okay, 36, 37.
37, sir.
Okay,
38.
38,
39.
39,
40.
40, yeah, sir.
41.
41, 42.
42.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
where is actually the problem now? Tell me, sir. 43, 44. Okay. You want to say that 92 people are going to put the entire attendance? Loknath, sir?
No, sir.
Yeah. So you got the problem. You understood the problem, right,
Yes.
sir?
I'm going to put the attendance only 50%.
Yes. It may be maximum 60%, but I have received maximum participation here. But how many percentages, sir? How many people really registered for this webinar, sir?
200 students, sir.
Sir,
240
so
students.
what is the message you want to communicate now, sir? 200 people really
Yes, sir.
registered. Am I right,
Yes,
sir?
yes, sir. Register.
Okay. So 200 people registered, 92 people are attending, and out of that, 50% put the attendance. Am I right,
Yes,
sir?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
actually, is it the problem with the students or is it the problem with we people, sir? That is the first thing which I want to tell
Yes,
you.
sir.
I think you understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood.
See, one thing, see, sir, are you issuing any certificate for this? Attending the.
Yes, sir. The certificate. We are
Okay.
issuing the
Sir, you
certificate.
got it. Now you
But you have
got
to
that.
attend all the 6 days.
Yeah, you have to. But in the end of the session, you can see that, sir, when you are sending the link,
Okay.
definitely all the people will be answering. I don't want to blame anybody. I want to blame our own people, including me, sir. I think you got the message, sir. So this is actually one of the major problems which we are facing. Agreed, sir?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
So 200 people registered and 92 people are attending, and out of that only 50% put the attendance. So how you expect the students to be 100% there, sir? Because first of all, we should all the change come from ourselves.
Yes, sir. Ours.
This is what
Yes,
we are.
it's-
Sir. See, whatever be the action, it should not come from your head, sir. It should come from our heart, sir.
Yes.
Got the point, there, sir?
Yes, sir.
The
It's true.
involvement, the passion, the involvement and the passion, it should come from
Ours.
our people,
side,
sir. I
our
am not
side.
only a doctor, I am also a professor of various universities, sir. Ruba
Yes.
ma'am, yeah, thank you, Ruba ma'am. Absolutely thankful, ma'am. Well said, Radhika ma'am. Well said. It is not the problem of the students. I want to tell you, we are also responsible. Because when we are going with a positive attitude and in solving the problems, all this issue can be solved. So that is the first psychological aspect. I think Loknath sir will agree, Pannusamy sir will agree that we are facing with the virtual platform. Any changes when it is coming, there will be resistance. So we should be able to cope up with the resistance and the change. Then only the change will come permanently. Am I right, sir? Loknath sir,
Yes, sir.
can you read the spelling of change, sir? It is
CH.
nothing but C-H-G-E.
H-A-N-G-E.
Am I right,
Yes.
sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Radhika ma'am, but the problem with we people, we are cutting the C and we are cutting the E. So it is nothing but hang. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
So whenever see the hang situation is there, we will not move anywhere. Take this as a challenge. If you don't get a make a way, that's my policy as a psychologist. I want to tell you, if you don't get a way, make a way. It is possible, sir. Loknath sir,
Yes, sir.
earlier you were teaching. I was also teaching. I think you are around, sir, 50 years or 45 years.
45 years, sir.
Sir, you were using the chalk earlier, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Really, I'm using chalk.
Chalk. We were not using any computer presentation. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
But now we are using it. Yes or no?
Now I'm using.
Yeah, that is the change.
Yes, that is a change.
So we should be able to really understand the change instead of complaining the change. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
If it is there, sir, all involvement, passion, all this will come from the heart, not from the brain.
Yes.
Sir, see, the thing is actually one thing, sir, I am also a part of the High Court of Kerala, sir. I used to go for counseling.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I meet the couples, or rather they have the couples problem. Now you can understand the husband and wife issues. We call it couple problems, sir. See, everybody will say, adjust with the situation. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
But it is not a question of adjustment. It's a question of understanding, sir. Once the understanding is there, all the adjustment will come. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Actually, this understanding we should really develop so that we are able to really cope up with the situation, and we should be able to transmit the positive energy to the students. Now the social media is giving negative energy, newspaper is giving negative energy. Actually, the situation. Yes, sir. Welcome,
sir. One question, sir. Which system is the best, better system, traditional or present system?
No doubt about, sir. According to the situation, I want to tell you the present situation is the best. You got, as a positive psychologist, I should give this answer. Got the point now, sir?
Yeah, present system is the best.
Yes, according to the situation, sir. We should
according to the situation.
Yes, sir. Can you see once see so many people, Loknath sir, so many people will be complaining about this particular system. Whether they are able to find out any other solution for it?
Students are facing their own psychological problems, nowadays.
Yes, exactly, sir. Why? Why they are facing the psychological issue? Because we are not really able to really generate the interest. Got the point, no, sir? If the interests are there, any sort of, sir, we are enjoying rather the television program, YouTube channel we are enjoying. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if we are able to generate the emotional interest, sir, that is the one thing. Emotional interest, everything will be, the students will be concentrating. Got the point, no, sir?
Yes, sir.
But instead of that, if we are talking like a mechanical people, definitely there will not be interest. Sir, I want to ask you one interesting question, sir. First of all, we should see, Panusami sir was talking about the life skill education. See, in fact, I also got life skill training from the famous institute from Sir Rajiv Gandhi Institute, Sri Perambatoor, Chennai. So this is very important, sir, where we are supposed to, rather work on the value of the education, value of the time. That is the first message we are supposed to give to the students. Sir, now our students.
One more question, sir.
Yeah, welcome, sir.
In theoretical aspects, the digital mode of system is okay. What about the practical aspects in school students or college students?
Practical aspects, of course, that is what I want to tell you, sir. Mathematics, certain practical aspects.
Physics, chemistry, and engineering.
Physics, chemistry, little bit. There will be little bit of issues, sir. That's why I told you, after 25 years, for the practical purpose, for mathematics purpose, we may be going to the college only. But other aspects will be taken care by virtually. Sir, you know how many virtual universities there now in the world? How many virtual university?
Hmm.
Sir, I am also a
Yes, sir.
professor of 2 virtual university, one from Africa, one from India itself.
Oh, fine, sir. Hmm.
India itself. You want to say that all virtual educations are bad? No. Sir, you take the case of Harvard now, you take the case of Oxford,
Hmm.
Cambridge. Lot of virtual educations are going. That's why we are able to cop up, am I right, no, with the situation, and we are able to really earn certain degrees. Am I right, sir? Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
want to tell you, Loganaj sir, during the pandemic situation, I also done about 40, 50 courses. If the interests are there, that's why I want to tell you the value. Sir, now the India is playing England. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Up to 12 o'clock, our students are watching. It is not a hard work for them. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is not a hard work because they are involved. They are having interest.
Interest.
Yes, once you generate the interest, yes, connectivity issues are there. Any changes when it is coming, ma'am, definitely connectivity issues will be there. But shortly, after 4 to 5 years, there should be a beginning. After 4 to 5 years, all this thing will be solved. For anything and everything, there should be a beginning. This is the beginning. We should see that this is an opportunity for a beginning. Even the big, king like Alexander started, yes, entertainment. Yes, ma'am, absolutely right. Not only entertainment, their interest is generated, so the involvement will be high. So once they see, ma'am, I want to tell you more than the interest or rather the fun part, etc. Once you understand the value of the certain things, your involvement will be high. Once you understand the value of the time, your time utilization will be high. Once you understand in the value of the studies, your involvement will be high. If you work very hard also, if you are having interest, then it is not a hard work. So, as a faculty, ma'am, we are supposed to transmit the message of value of the education and value of the time. Loknath sir,
Yes, sir.
what is
Yes,
the
sir.
average life of a human being? I'll tell you how to pass a message. Sir. What is the average life of a human being, sir, in India? Any idea?
In India.
70 years. Okay, Radhika ma'am, it is not 70 years. I think it is only in Kerala, it is 65. Radhika ma'am, it is almost, yes, Kalpana ma'am, absolutely, 60 years.
60
Kalpana
years.
ma'am, can I ask a question to you? Kalpana ma'am, you can send by message, no issue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kalpana ma'am, if possible, if you can come in the video, well and good. Kalpana ma'am, my question is this.
Hi, sir. Sir, I'm not able to connect the video, sir. I'm in
No issue, no
No.
issue, ma'am. You can, rather answer me. Ma'am, whether it is Logna sir, whether it is Ponnusamy sir, or me, or Kalpana ma'am, when you take 3 days, ma'am, okay, one day you cannot do anything. Why, ma'am? Practically, you cannot do anything. Why, ma'am? Any idea?
Can you
When
repeat
take
the
3
question
days,
one more time,
ma'am,
sir?
Sir, please repeat the
Kalpana ma'am,
question.
I'll
Can you
repeat.
repeat the question?
Yeah, Radhika ma'am. When you take 3 days, whether it is Loknath sir or Radhika ma'am or Kalpana ma'am or me or Ponnusamy sir, all my friends, you cannot do anything practically.
Okay, that day.
Any answer?
The day
Every answer
we
is the
are
right
dying.
answer. I want only the participation.
Okay, the day we are dying, that day.
The day where we
We are dying, that day.
not dying, man. When you take 3 days, you cannot do one day anything practically.
Mentally
Not
disturbed.
understand.
Yes,
Not
sir.
understanding the question.
Radhika ma'am,
Yes, sir.
today is what 23. Am I right, ma'am?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
23
Of
August.
When you take 23 August, that is 24 hours. Now I am giving you a clue. 24 August and 25 August, right? 3 into 24. Am I right, ma'am? Hours.
Okay. Okay.
Out of this 24 hours, you cannot do anything practically. Why?
No, sir. No idea.
I think, ma'am, it is a very easy question.
Practically, we cannot do anything.
Yeah. 8 hours per day, you cannot do anything practically. I think you got the point.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, very
Sleeping.
simple, sleeping. So now to understand the value of the time, I am going to ask you another question. How many years we will sleep, Radhika ma'am, if our life is almost 60 years?
1/3.
Around
One
around
third. That is
30,
20 years, am I right?
20
Logan,
years.
sir.
Yeah.
1/3, sir.
Yes, exactly. So you have got only 40 years of life. Agree?
Obviously.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir, out of which, if you want to support 40 years, roughly I am going to sell that 8 hours you have to work. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Obviously.
So how many active years you have got, Radhika ma'am?
Only 40 years.
No, ma'am.
30 years.
No.
30.
20 years only I got the life. That is the value of the time.
Life,
Am I right,
yes.
Radhika ma'am?
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
only
Okay.
20
Okay,
years.
okay, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Radhika ma'am, now I am
Yes, sir.
running in the bonus. So every minute is important to me. Am I right?
Correct.
After 60, every year is a
Absolutely.
bonus year.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got the point? Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now Radhika ma'am, I'll ask you another interesting question. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
best gift I can give today, Radhika ma'am? Radha ma'am?
The comment which you are giving, you are appreciating me. Whatever the contribution I'm giving, you are just giving an
That is you
appreciation.
want to say, Radhika ma'am, my
No, that
knowledge.
is, yeah.
Am I
That
right?
is feeling
Not
motivated.
my knowledge, Radhika ma'am. That is what I
Yes,
want
sir.
to tell you.
So sharing
Yes,
your
sir.
knowledge.
Yes, sir. Yes,
It
sir.
is not my knowledge, Radhika ma'am. More
Yes,
than
sir.
that, I am giving something. You know what is it? Can I tell you?
Yes, sir.
If I say the correct answer, Radhika ma'am, I'll get my address. You have to send me a 5-star. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, Radhika ma'am, the
Yes,
best
sir.
gift I can give to Hindustan Engineering College and all my faculty members is nothing but my time, ma'am.
Obviously. Yes.
You
Your
cannot
knowledge and
get it back
okay.
because I am running in the bonus. I may have only 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years maximum, out of which 8 years I have to sleep. Got the point, ma'am?
Correct. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is the value of the time. This is a way to understand the value of the time to the students. Yes or no, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Radhika ma'am, now you just imagine how many years of life you may have. So
Correct.
every minute you have to use creatively.
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Radhika ma'am, you pass this message to your students by saying that.
Yes,
Radhika ma'am, do you
yes.
have a watch with
Absolutely.
you?
Sir, yes, sir.
What is a watch, ma'am? Which brand, ma'am?
Titan.
Titan.
Titan,
If you lose the Titan watch, you can buy it, ma'am. Is it so?
Yes.
If you lose your mobile, you can buy it. No, sir.
Obviously.
Obviously, you can buy it. If you lose your specs, also you can buy it. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But if
But
you
I'm
lose
not wearing
one-
specs.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. You are quite young. Okay, appreciated, ma'am.
Yes.
See, the thing is, if you are losing the specs, also you can buy.
But
If
the
you are,
time,
I mean, even the churidar get lost, you can buy it, ma'am. If your
Yes,
pen
sir.
is lost, you can buy it, ma'am.
yes.
But if you are losing the time, you cannot buy. If
Correct.
money
Right,
is lost, yes, ma'am, you can, I mean, quote this example to your students. If money is lost, it's only money.
Yes, sir.
If time is lost, life is lost, ma'am. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You should understand that life is nothing but division of the seconds. This is the importance of value. This is the importance of transferring the message to our students. See, the thing is, Radhika ma'am, you are, a teacher with engineering college or rather arts
Engineering
college?
college.
Engineering
College.
So
Yes.
I am also a part of engineering college, ma'am. I do work in Tamil Nadu College of Engineering.
Okay.
You might have heard about, ma'am. Radhika ma'am,
Yes.
whenever I used to address our students, I used to say, especially the first year students, do one thing. First year, do one thing. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Right? All these 12 months, right? Or you enjoy this all these 4 years. No issue. Radhika ma'am is not going to lose anything. But if you enjoy these 4 years, 40 years you are going to regret. Yes or no, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If
I
you
used to
are
say
really
this to my
working hard,
students.
4 years, you are going to enjoy the 40 years. That is the importance of the time and the involvement. Once that involvement is there, every situation is not an adjustment, it is the situation of understanding. It is a situation of understanding. Am I right, ma'am? So this message, the value of the education, Nadia ma'am, and the value of the time should be transmitted to the students. So naturally they will understand the value means they will really involve. So they will enjoy with the studies also. Their concentration or passion will be more with the studies. This is what we are supposed to do. Whether it is the system of virtual. Radhika ma'am, when you have made your research, all your faculty were teaching you, or you done of yourself? So we should see that we are not giving the motivation alone to the students, but we should also see that the self-motivation should work, yes, with everyone's support. Yes, Radhika ma'am, but one thing, when you have done your research work, definitely you can understand that, ma'am, your involvement is more higher than the teachers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is called the self-motivation. Am I right? No,
Yes.
ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Radhika
Yes, sir.
ma'am, the teacher's job is not teaching. Teacher's
Obviously,
job
sir.
is rather facilitating the students for getting the knowledge. You should see that they are getting self-motivated. So
Yes, sir.
all the psychological aspects will be solved. This is what I want to tell you. There you have to understand the value of change, value of the education, value of the time. Radhika ma'am, can I ask you one interesting question to you?
Yes, sir.
Radhika ma'am, who is your best friend?
Boom. It is getting changed, sir, because in my school days, then I have gone to college. So there is no such a stagnant person.
At
All
least
my
one
well
person?
wishes. Yes, it is Harisudha.
Harisudha. She is
Yeah.
there now? No.
Yeah, she's working
Attending
in
the
some other
session.
college.
Okay.
No, she is not attending the session.
Okay. Okay. Said Radhika ma'am, who is your best enemy or the worst enemy?
That and all more numbers.
You have more numbers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All the answers which you are given is absolutely wrong, ma'am.
Okay.
Shall I tell you?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. With a smile,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Radhika ma'am, your best friend is your mind.
Okay, correct.
One interesting, this is the real job of the faculty to develop this message in our students that the best friend of any student is, or any faculty, or including the psychologist, the best friend is always their mind when it is under control. Agreed, Radhika ma'am? When it is under control. Loknath sir,
Sir.
people started asking the link, sir. Now you understood, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand.
Oh, yes, sir. Radhika ma'am, the best friend is your mind when it is under control.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And your worst enemy is also your mind only. When it is
It is
not
not
under,
control.
yes. So
Yes,
in this
mind,
situation,
mind thinking positive and negative way, sir. That's it.
yes, exactly, sir. Sir, shall I give another interesting thing, sir?
Yes.
There is one bull left side, sir, and another bull in the right side, sir.
Yes, sir.
Loknath sir, you are, giving only food to the left bull. What will happen to the right bull, sir?
Right bull
Finally,
fighting,
right
sir.
bull is going to die. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Likewise, sir, we should see that the positive bull is always given food. Am I right, Radhika ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is what we are supposed to do. That is called the positive attitude we are supposed to develop it. Right? And I want to tell you one interesting concept since Raghunath has
Yes, sir.
opened this topic. Mind is nothing but a garden, sir. Right?
Yes,
Garden is having 4 walls. Right, sir?
Yes,
Garden
sir.
is having 4 walls. And there is a gatekeeper and there's a gate. Who is the gatekeeper, sir? Of your mind? It is Logannath sir only.
Yes, sir.
So you are supposed to allow only certain things to enter into your mind.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
If your attitude is perfect, no, everything can be
I want-
solved, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what I want to tell you, sir.
Hello, only
Now, yes, before concluding, sir, I want to give you certain interesting aspects like, sir, the attitude of the people, students, and the faculty members should be taken care of, and the interactive session should be there. Involvement of the students we should take, and the body language of the faculty should be perfect. And according to the situation, we are supposed to change. Logannath sir,
Yes,
now
sir,
I will
sure.
conclude by just asking a problem, sir.
Yes, sir.
A few people can come to the video. Logannath sir, can you take your mobile wire? Devi Sri ma'am, can you come? Shashi sir? Rama ma'am, Ramakrishnan sir, I think I can see you. Ramna sir, I am not able to read your full name, sir. Can you come to the video?
Ramakrishnan sir, V. Ramakrishnan.
Ramakrishna.
V.
Yes,
Ramakrishnan.
Ramakrishnan sir. Thank you. Glad to meet you, Ramakrishnan sir. Sir, Ramakrishnan sir, only Logannath sir I can see.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Anybody else can come?
Srinivas.
Srinivas sir.
Adigoting.
Okay.
thank you.
Ramakrishnan sir, Srinivas sir. Now I want to ask you. Yes,
The question session is what, sir?
yes, Raja ma'am. Now you are a word with you. All right. You have got a wire. I want to see that without the other people, those who are not Raja attending, please switch off their mobile. Not switch off the mobile. Rameshwar and Raja ma'am, can you mute it?
Participant
Okay.
not ask any question?
Now, Radhika ma'am, after this session, you can Raja give interesting information. This is a problem which I am going to give, right? Radhika ma'am, you have got a wire with you. Am I right?
Sir, you want to ask any question?
Interesting information. This is a problem which I am going to. Srinivasa sir, you can come, no issue, but mute it. Radhika ma'am, now I am going to give a question or see Logannath sir, without
Yes, sir.
taking this hand, without taking this hand, whether you will be able to,
Without taking the hand,
whether you try like this. Radhika ma'am, you try. Logannath sir, you try. Radhika ma'am, you try. Logannath sir, you try. Logannath sir, any idea?
Yes. No, sir. No idea.
I'll give a tip to you, then I will conclude it. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Presently, where you are thinking, sir? In your wire only, no?
Yes.
Radhika ma'am?
Yes, sir.
You are thinking only in your wire.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Radhika ma'am, instead of thinking in your wire, you can also concentrate in your hand, right? You will get the answer. Anyway, I'm not going to give the answer. Loknath sir and Radhika ma'am are supposed to give the answer. What I want to tell, every problem there is an answer if you think differently. Loknath sir, you got the point.
Yes,
Every
sir.
problem there is an answer if you think differently, and if your attitude is also different.
Different.
I want to conclude by this session by saying that your attitude is going to decide your altitude.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Every problem is an opportunity for the growth.
Yes.
Every problem is an opportunity for the growth. See that, my dear friends, faculty members, see that this attitude is really used. I'm really thankful to the Purnusamy sir, Radhika ma'am, and Loknath sir for giving an excellent hospitality during my session with Hindustan, engineering and Hindustan College. Definitely, Loknath sir, I am
Thank you,
also
sir.
a
Thank you.
platform. Sir, definitely we will meet in some other platform. Thank you.
Sure,
Thank
sure.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Right. Thank you. Wait 1 minute, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Change is permanent. Challenges are the result of changes is permanent. Yes, nowadays the teaching method has been changed. You have shared a lot of information. Shared and accept the change. Change should come from us. Thank you, sir. And if there is no way, then make a way to find the solution. And then another information you have shared very inspires you all. Information on this, India is the safest country. We are proud to be an Indian. Thank you, sir. You have delivered an excellent and highly useful interactive session for all the faculty members. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again. Now I request Dr. Deepa Ma'am propose the vote of thanks.
Appreciation can make a day, even change of life. On behalf of organizing team, I take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks those who have contributed to this national level faculty development program on digital teaching methods in higher education organized by PG and Research Department of Commerce CA. I thank our chief guest and resource person of this first day faculty development program, Dr. Professor Raghunath Sarakal, consultant and counseling psychiatrist. This COVID-19 pandemic. This COVID-19 pandemic crisis, e-learning has become a necessary feature in all educational establishments. The pandemic has disturbed our normal way of living, generating frustration and unique social exclusions and a range of other concerns. The pandemic has caused a lot of changes in learning activities that were previously in a traditional classroom settings, switched to an online learning environment. Sir has clearly explained about the practical issues in virtual learning methods among the students community and what is the psychological impact of e-learning methods in a very effective manner. Everything is based on our attitude and our mind is a gateway for everything. We are really enlightened with your knowledge. I think it's a very informative and interactive section. Thank you very much, sir. I express my sincere thanks to our principal, Dr. A. Purnusamy, sir, for your valuable presence and effective interaction. It's such a honor to colleagues from various institutions. Just to thank you is a mighty, wonderful prayer, says it all. With these warm words and a kind message, higher education. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Raghunath, sir, thank you. Raghunath, sir, thank you very much. க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாமா?
faculties. Feedback link is posted in your chat box. You can fill the feedback link, and the day 2 link will be shared to your registered mail IDs by 10 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you.